This is the Euro Yen on the 15 minute, and this is a trend continuation trade in anticipation of trend continuation, should I say. Once we've had the breakout on the higher time frame, I've waited for a pullback and got long once we've had the breakout on the 15-minute time frame. And so let me just delete everything off and remove the orders, and as usual let's do our higher time frame analysis, and we'll be able to get an indication of what I'm talking about here. So what's really stuck out for me here is we actually have a cipher pattern. Now I don't actually trade these, however if they occur on the higher time frame and we are moving in the direction of the pattern, and on top of that if we then have confirmation on the lower time frames that we've just broken major structure, say, I will look at entering the trade to jump on the completion of the pattern. Now 129.11s would be target ones on this particular trade. Okay, I've just brought back over the orders. My target is 129.08, so front running there by 3 pips. Let's go ahead and drop to the 240 time frame. Okay, so what's happened here on the 240 is there isn't really too much to look at, but the market was trending quite nicely to the downside here, and then what happened is we came up, retested these highs here, failed to put in a new structural high, pulled back, and have now started to work our way up. So on the 240 we do not have a violation, we do not have a break above, close above, but we do on the 60-minute time frame. So let's just go to the 60 and take a quick look at that. So pretty much same situation here. The difference here is that we've come up to this level, we held it, we pulled back, we pulled back into this level, giving us a potential head and shoulders, although not one that I can trade. And then what happened here is we saw a break above, close above, and let me just zoom in here, and this is obviously major resistance here, and if we break through it, which we have done here, as you can see this is a break above, close above, I can drop down to the lower time frames here and have a look for a reason to get long. So as we do that, let's drop down to the 15-minute. We then get to see our entry, which is right here. So you can see here we saw a retracement. I then waited until we'd put in a new high, which we did just here, and stops go 10 pips below the low here, and then I'm playing for the fib targets, which is the completion of that advanced pattern, the cipher pattern. So what will happen here is if we are able to put in a new structure high and maybe a retracement and another one, I'll then be able to reduce down the risk on this trade. But currently we have a risk here of 32 pips. Just to confirm, the reward of 43. And we're back for the final part of this video, and as you can see now, it was very painful, but price has actually rallied to our target. If we zoom out a little bit here, I have actually deleted all the workings out, but as you can see we did get up there and hit those targets for plus 47 pips.